Well, now I'm doing the battery support bracket. So you can see right there, I've got that bracket built, and this is where the floor of the truck's gonna be, or the bed's gonna be. Same on that other piece over there. So I tried to put this level with what the bed should be, because I'm putting a battery box inside of an ammunition box, and it'll all fit right there. Then if he puts the owner of the truck puts a floor in here, he should have plenty of room on this side, and then support here for the plywood or whatever he puts in the back here, in the back of the truck. I'm not sure what that plan is yet, but anyways, that's where I'm at. I will add to this video once I kind of get the support brackets put in here. I'm going to put one here and then kind of one at an angle right here, and that should be enough to hold the battery. So with that, later. What's going on? So this is part 2 of my battery box install. So as you can see, I've got that guy built, the top support for the battery box, and then I put on my support angle iron, and I kept it away from the corners because the battery is actually in the box is a little smaller than the frame I built. So I just want to make sure I get enough weight distribution towards the brackets, support brackets. And I did the same over here. You can see I kind of pushed that one back. So yeah. Anyways, you see what I'm trying to do there. But this guy's, I mean, it's solid. It ain't going anywhere. And I'm not too worried about welding it to the frame like this, because the box is actually welded to the frame all the way around. So no matter what happens, I mean, the box is going to make a bunch of noise, but that's all right. It's not an everyday driver and all that kind of stuff. But oh, and then I built the plate. Let's see what goes on here. I'll just kind of set it close so you guys can see what I'm doing. But so that's how that'll sit, and then the battery box will go on here. So look pretty good. All right. Well, I got the battery box put together, so you can see that's where it's going to be. It's a little bit of an angle, and if the floor ever gets put in this guy of the bed here, it should look like it's just kind of sitting there on the plywood or whatever he puts in here. But you can see here, I made this bracket, and then you can see I used a piece of all thread to use it to hold the battery in place. It doesn't move at all. And then I poked some holes in here, and then I'm gonna run the battery cables through here, and then out here, and then down and along the frame. That's my plan. But I just took the lid off so I could work with this guy a little easier. But you can see what's going on there. And let me see if I can get that lid on real quick. Maybe. Maybe. Yeah. That went pretty quick. So that's it. And you can see those little rubber grommets where the battery cables are going to come out. So should be good. Nice and sturdy. That thing ain't going nowhere. So that's it. Cool. Later.